To safely use the Tecar, first of all you'll need the earthing electrode on this machine. This is a metal bar. I'm just going to put some contact medium onto the metal bar. You don't need a lot of contact medium on the metal bar, just enough so that it will actually contact with the patient. I'm just going to spread that cream around on the earthing electrode. I'll place that underneath the patient's wrist. In this case we're treating the wrist, and I'll place some more contact medium across the top of the area that I want to treat. It's easiest to spread out that contact medium actually just using the treatment head. So make sure you've got enough contact medium, because during the treatment that will dry out to some degree. Don't touch the patient during the treatment. You can see me touching the patient there. That can create a spark and arc back to the patient. If you can't find an area to safely put the electrode underneath the patient or near to where you're doing the treatment, you can actually just get the patient to hold the earthing electrode in the hand and do the treatment. It will still work just the same.